on another adventure. We're going on another adventure to
Osaka.
Japan. So it's currently 8:25 a.m. Our flight is 11 o'clock. 11:45.
And so we booked this ticket last year. So it's a promo fare because they reintroduced the Cebu to Osaka route.
So it's a
Kaya
straight
discounted dito and direct flight siya.
direct flight. So we're now
And this is our last trip for the summer.
before the school starts. So we're now in the airport. Yan. Diyan yung mga bata. Sama si ama and angkong. Okay, we'll get back to you. Pasok muna kami. Yan. So guys, we're still checking in. And yan, kami lang nasa pila. Walang tao. Ewan ko bakit. Sa kabila, Eva Air. Yan, maraming tao. Pero dito, walang tao. Kami lang nag-check in. So, hindi namin alam kung maaga kami or late. Or wala lang talagang tao. Hi, Akel! Hi guys! So, naka-check in na. Immigration done. And then, we're here inside. So, ayan. As usual, ang makikita nyo, pagpasok sa Mactan Airport, after immigration, after x-ray, is the duty-free! And the iconic Chupa Chups. Chupa Chups car. Sige.
So we are hoping na hindi puno yung flight. So actually our return flight was canceled and it was moved one day kasi apparently PAL is consolidating flights kasi hindi daw puno. And for this trip, yung yesterday na Osaka trip was canceled also. So we're hoping na hindi puno so that we have extra seats and makarelax at makahiga yung mga bata. So we are now walking the international terminal of Mactan Cebu Airport. So here we are again. I still believe that this is a better airport than what we have in Naiya. And as a Cebuano, it really makes you proud, no? So we're on our way to the lounge and see you again later once we are in the plane.
Okay. Ayan, punta muna tayo sa lounge. Ang lounge dito is, you need to go to the elevator and then sa baba. We're going to the Plaza Premium. Dragon Pass ang gagamitin natin. Ayan, so nasa lounge na kami. Ayan, ang food is pansit, noodles. Ayan, drawing si Raquel. Si Rian naghuhumba. And si Raizo naka-noodles. Sila ama nandun sa kabila kasi dito may charger sa gitna. Si Daddy naka-humba. Humba and rice. Gutom. Hello. Tapos, ang food. Yan natin yung food, ha? Merong kamote chip. Coffee crumble cake. Savory cake. Bread. Salad. Stir-fried noodle. Yan. And then rice. Vegetables. And scrambled egg. Congee. And pwedeng mag-order ng noodles. And for the drinks, may mga soft drinks and water. Yan.
So we're boarding now.
Ayan, boarding na. Boarding time. Time now is 11 o'clock.
We are on time.
On time so far. There's our airplane. Yan. Sila ama angkong nasa loob na.
Bye Cebu for now.
Yan, bye. And see you next week.
Because we in the airplane going to Japan. And then also we gonna
take
look.
off
We
na.
gonna take off na
4 hours.
Yeah, it's 4
Take
hours.
off na.
because we're flying now. See, that's why they're flying. We're gonna fly the if we go.
Okay? Say bye-bye, Cebu.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Cebu. Okay, we're gonna fly na. We're flying now, but we're going. It's so fast. See, so fast. It's so we're going. We're gonna fly na.
Okay.
Hehe. Bye bye, everyone in the world.
I think we're on time.
Oh.
We're on time.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, take off. See you next week, Cebu.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Na kami ng Osaka. The airport in Osaka is basically an artificial island in the middle of the sea. And the flight went well, although medyo turbulent konti. But hindi masyado puno. So this is a good flight. Thank you, Lord, for the safe travels.
Yeah, welcome to Japan. We're here in the plane just landed, and it's now 4:56, 5 o'clock. Yeah, we're here. Kailangan pa natin mag-train before we go to the immigration
Immigration and then customs.
and then customs. Ayan, kami lang nasa train. Kabila.
Hello guys, we are now in Dotonbori. Hooray! Yeah, we just had dinner in Yoshinoya. Everyone's just here, guys. Say hi, guys. Everybody's just here, guys.
Meron pa silang Christmas
Christmas lights, guys.
last year pa yan.
Si RG daw, may sasabi si RG magsalita.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Yes, like and subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Yes, do that.
Doon, katabi ng Yoshinoya yung malaking donkey.
Hote.
Tomorrow, donkey.
Hote. Tapos tomorrow, Ichiran.
Last year, nung nandito.
Mist to. Tingnan mo, para lumamig yung
Oo, may mist pa doon, oh. Para lumamig kasi mainit. Parang Pilipinas. Yan na, tawid na. So ngayon, gusto nilang maghanap ng ice cream, dessert. Dessert. Ito, dami ng tao. Pero before, kailan nga tayo napunta dito, babe? 2022?
2023.
2023. Oh, 2023 October. Sobrang daming tao dito. Gantong oras, hindi ka na makalakad. Kasi wala ka nang malalakaran. Ngayon, not bad. Medyo na mga tourist. Naglalo na. Nagsawa na konti. And mainit din kasi. Kaya siguro wala na masyadong nagja-Japan. Yan, may Family Mart. Meron ba?
Meron.
So gusto nilang mag-Family
Puntahan
Mart.
natin dati, tatawid lang tayo.
Wala, Squid Game.
So, a bit of a history, guys. So, Dotonbori started in the 19th century. Noong 1800s, nag-start siya as a place of entertainment. So, pakita niyo yan kasi i-refer ko yan mamaya. Okay. Pero nag-start siya as entertainment primarily for adults. So, nandun yung mga geisha, yung mga ganyan. So, pero after World War II, nag-start na they want to attract the crowd na family-oriented. So mga bata. Kaya yung nakita nyo yung parang clown kanina, yan yung parang unofficial mascot ng Dotonbori.
Ito, yan. Ito, yan.
Saan? O yan siya.
Si ano?
Oo. Basta that's totoong tao yan I think eh. So people come here, mga bata, to play games, to eat with their parents. Kaya ayan, na yun, nag-evolve siya into many restaurants, shops, and yun, naging tourist spot na rin.
Very daming tourist, ang daming kalat. Pag maraming turista, maraming kalat. So marami ring mga drugstores. Meron pa tong other side eh, kahilera, parallel. Na parang roadside, marami ka ring makikita.
Katabi ng ilog.
Katabi na ng ilog. Pwede kayo mag-boating. Yung hotel namin is Candeo Hotel, which is very near. Walking distance lang. We stayed there last 2 years ago. Kahit maliit yung rooms, doon na lang din ulit since maganda yung location. Maliit lang siya. Buhay na buhay ang Dotonbori. Yung iba walang pila, so alam na bakit wala silang pila. Pero yung ibang takoyaki shops, mahaba ang pila. Meron,
Ito yung parang tinapay, they called it melon bread. And then ang laman is ice cream. Mas tahimik na yun.
oo, mas ano ngayon? Ano ba ngayon? Thursday, no?
Oo.
Ako sa weekend, maraming tao dito. Pero ang tourist, parang mostly, ang majority, mga Chinese. And then, mga puti. Caucasians. Yung mahangin din, pero maganda pag may hangin kasi medyo humid. May
It's
mga,
not bad.
may mga ano sila, maleta.
Tomorrow mag-shorts tayo.
Oo, not recommended to go here na naka-pants kasi mainit. Ayan, dulo na tayo ng Dotonbori. As usual, when in Japan, before babalik ng hotel, konbini run! Yay! Bibili raw sila ng ice cream. Ako parang gusto ko ng chichirya. So, anong bibili nyo? Ice cream? Laki na nung gusto mo?
Chocolate.
Mint ba yan? Mint?
Mint chocolate.
Ayun yung yung mochi.
There's a home. I want something.
Ako maghahanap muna ako.